Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Barber. We're starting a new chapter. We're going to jump to chapter 12, which is on it starts on page 725. So we're going to do geometric shapes and equal shares. We did just skip time and measurement in the book, and we may go back to that at the end, but right now this is the most important one I want you to get to. So page 725. You know the first part is just the introduction. You can do Am I Ready if you want. You'll know a lot. And then boys and girls, there's lots of vocabulary cards and they're all important. And on the back is information for each one. So you can cut these out or you can leave them in your book, but make sure you read them. Practice these because I'm not with you to give you all this extra practice. So these are one way to do it. This word is quadrilateral. That's a big long word. We'll get to it together though. So, and then we're going to go all the way to the first lesson. Lesson 1, two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes. So it says we're just going to draw. So the only one that I think you don't know how to draw, you might, is a hexagon because that equals 6 sides. Okay, so it says draw a circle. We can draw a circle. Draw a hexagon. Hexagons are 6-sided, so Mrs. Barber's trying to do this with the video in my hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh. 6. That's horrible. Look. There's a hexagon. Copy that. Mrs. Barber messed that up. But I'm not even going to worry about it, right? Mistakes make your brains. I can't draw and video and talk to you all at once. That's a lot of things to do all at once. I'm getting better. All right, next one's square. Square has same equal sides on all 4 sides. Rectangle and a triangle. So you do most of those. I can't believe I did that. That's horrible. But it's on the hexagons on the next side. All right, so you're going to need this. This is super important. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon, that's 5. 5 sides. So I'm going to put 5. This one is 6. Parallelogram and a trapezoid. So it says a two-dimensional shape is a shape with only length and width. Okay, we'll get to 3-dimensional shapes. Those are like soda cans, which would be a cylinder or a soup can, and a cube instead of a square, and a pyramid instead of just a triangle. So we'll get to that, but right now we're just doing this. Parallelogram is just a 4-sided figure with 2 lines parallel. So if you think parallel, they're like train tracks. So like these 2 are like train tracks, right? They'll never cross. Train tracks never cross. And these 2 lines go this way. These 2 lines would never cross, and these 2 lines would never cross. A trapezoid's different because look, if I were to go here and keep drawing and here and keep drawing, they would cross. So that can't be a parallelogram. Parallelogram is both sides. These 2 sides, these lines would never cross, and these lines would never cross. But a trapezoid, those 2 lines are not parallel. Okay, so this one says look for a parallelogram. This one would be the right one. And this one. The next one says look for triangles. This one and this one. This one says count the sides and what's the name of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the one I've been trying to draw. That's a hexagon. Find another hexagon, that one. Okay, so, here's the trapezoids. Okay, so if you read the directions, you'll be able to finish the rest of this. So we did page 539, or sorry, 739, 740, 741, 742, 7:43, and 7:44. Okay? Bye.